Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new on this channel, please do not make it your last. Click the subscribe button. So today I'm going to be showing us how to tie fan gele. Very easy style, very easy. A lot of people don't know, they think it's a difficult style, but I'm here today to show you how easy it is to tie it. So before I continue with the explanation, I shared the gele into ratio 60-40. One hand is a bit longer than the other. The longer hand will use it to create the fan, and the shorter hand will roll it and hide it at the back of the gele. You can see how I'm carefully pleating the gele, one step at a time. So when you are done pleating, before you tie it at the back, make sure that you adjust the pleats. Just take your time and make it clean. The beauty of gele is when your pleats are neatly placed. So when you are done adjusting the pleats, you can twist the back or you can tie. For this video, I used the twisting method instead of the tying method. So since I'm tying the gele on myself, I used my armpit to hold it. But if I'm tying it on someone, I'll ask the person to hold that hand for me while I work on the longer hand we are going to use to achieve the fan. So I need you to focus very well on my hands so that you see how I achieved the fan. You pleat gradually, step by step. So when you are done arranging the fan hand, you use pin to hold it down on the pleated gele. So feel free to use as many pins as necessary. The main idea is to hold your gele in place so that it doesn't fall off. Now that we have achieved the fan style, let's roll the shorter hand and place it at the back of the gele. So properly place it at the back and use pin to secure it very well. So you can see how beautiful the gele turned out. Let's boost the look by wearing earrings. Hi my lovelies, do let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this style. Feel free to dance, your gele will not fall off. Bye and see you in my next video.